So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Moto G5G. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Moto G5G are Snapdragon 750G, 5000 mAh battery, 48 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 6.7 inches Full HD Plus display, 20 watt fast charging, Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Moto G5G. There are two storage variants of Moto G5G, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of Moto G5G, blue color, black color and grey color. This is the front side of Moto G5G. This is the back side of Moto G5G. The launch date of Moto G5G is on 30th November 2020. In my opinion, the expected price of Moto G5G should be below 18,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.